Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the exact address so guests arrive without guesswork. Open Google Maps and drop a pin on the correct building. Zoom to desired detail. Once the pin is accurate, choose whether you want a static screenshot, a shareable Google Maps link, or an embedded map for digital invites. Make sure you have invitation dimensions and image resolution ready, because once you export the map, scaling later can blur important details. You now generate the map asset. For a clickable link, tap Share and copy the short URL, ensuring it opens to the correct zoom level. If you need an image, set zoom and orientation, then capture a screenshot at the invitation's pixel dimensions. Crop tightly around the pin. If your design needs branding, change the marker color or add a small custom label next to the pin. Once done, save both link and image with clear file names for the next step. You finish by inserting the chosen map into your invitation layout. Align it with event details so eyes move naturally across the card. If using a link or embed, test on desktop and mobile to confirm the pin and directions load properly. Make zoom adjustments when the location looks too zoomed out or tight. Export print invites at 300 dpi and digital invites at correct pixel sizes. Troubleshooting tip: if the wrong location appears, clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.